Welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share Pakistan Studies MCQs for the topic Cultural History. These general knowledge MCQs will help you for the preparation of different jobs where Pakistan Studies is compulsory. So question number 1, Amir Khusro's name is associated with the invention of A. Sarod, B. Sitar, C. Tabla, D. Shehnai. And the correct answer is B. Sitar. Question number 2. The most famous court poet of Akbar was A. Abdurrahim Khana, B. Tulsidas, C. Ras Khan, D. Surdas. And the correct answer is A. Abdul Rahim Khan. Question number 3. Who among the following Mughal rulers who has been called the Prince of Builders? A. Jahangir, B. Akbar, C. Babur, D. Shah Jahan. And the correct answer is D. Shah Jahan. Question number 4. Sculptors of Gandhara school reflect the influence of the A. Chinese, B. Greeks, C. Romans, D. Persians. And the correct answer is B. Greeks. Question number 5. During the Mughal period of Indian history, the name of Mansoor became famous in the field of A. Music, B. Painting, C. Architecture, D. Gardening. And the correct answer is B. Painting. Question number 6. Which of the following was built by Akbar? A. Agra Fort, B. Red Fort, C. Daulatabad, D. Ahmednagar. And the correct answer is A. Agra Fort. Question number 7. The Red Fort of Delhi was built by A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Jahangir, D. Sher Shah. And the correct answer is B. Shah Jahan. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on WhatsApp, TikTok and Facebook. Question number 8. The Mughal painting reached its zenith during the reign of A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Shah Jahan, D. Babur. And the correct answer is B. Jahangir. Question number 9. Gandhara School of Art was established in A. Western India, B. Northwestern India, C. Eastern India, D. Southern India. And the correct answer is B. Northwestern India. Question number 10. Taxila was a famous site of A. Early Vedic art, B. Gandhara art, C. Mayan art, D. Gupta art. And the correct answer is B. Gandhara art. Question number 11. The structure of Qutub Minar was completed by A. Aram Shah, B. Iltutmish, C. Qutubuddin Aibak, D. Tughlaq. And the correct answer is B. Iltutmish. Question number 12. A famous history book on India was written in the 11th century by A. Suleiman, B. Al-Biruni, C. Masudi, D. Firdaus. And the correct answer is B. Al-Biruni. Question number 13. Which Sufi saint's dargah is at Ajmer? A. Salim Chishti, B. Moinuddin Chishti, C. Baba Farid, D. Hazrat Baku Sultan. And the correct answer is B. Moinuddin Chishti. Question number 14. Gandhara School of Art developed during the time of A. Sokas, B. Kushans, C. Sungas, D. Mauryas. And the correct answer is B. Kushans. Question number 15. Baland Darwaza is situated in A. Delhi, B. Fatehpur Sikri, C. Lucknow, D. Meerut. And the correct answer is B. Fatehpur Sikri. Question number 16. Nishate Garden was built by A. Babur, B. Jahangir, C. Sher Shah, D. Akbar. And the correct answer is B. Jahangir. Question number 17. Who built Char Minar? A. Quli Qutub Shah, B. Ibrahim Qutub Shah, C. Ali Adil Shah, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Quli Qutub Shah. Question number 18. Development of architecture was at its peak during A. Chola period, B. Gupta period, C. Mughal period, D. Pandya period. And the correct answer is C. Mughal period. Question number 19. Buland Darwaza built by Akbar is to commemorate the victory of A. Orissa, B. Gujarat, C. Bengal, D. Delhi. And the correct answer is B. Delhi. Question number 21. Who among the following Mughal rulers banned music and dancing? A. Aurangzeb, B. Babur, C. Jahangir, D. Akbar. And the correct answer is A. Aurangzeb. Question number 20. The mausoleum of Sher Shah is at A. Delhi, B. A. Lahore, B. Delhi, C. Sasaram, D. Mumbai. And the correct answer is C. Sasaram. Question number 22. Who among the following was great musician in the court of Akbar? A. Amir Khusro, B. Tanseen, C. Ramdas, D. Abdul Fazal. And the correct answer is B. Tanseen. Question number 23. Fatehpur Sikri was founded by A. Babur, B. Akbar, C. Jahangir, D. Humayun. And the correct answer is B. Akbar. Question number 24. Jame Masjid Delhi was built by A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Jahangir, D. Humayun. And the correct answer is B. Shah Jahan. Question number 25. Which of the following forts was built by Akbar? A. Lahore Fort, B. Gwalior Fort, C. Allahabad Fort, D. Agra Fort. And the correct answer is B. Gwalior Fort. Question number 26. Purana Killa, Delhi was constructed during the reign of A. Humayun, B. Sher Shah, C. Jahangir, D. Akbar. And the correct answer is A. Humayun. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. If you want to get any PDF notes for any job, just comment us or email us. You may also WhatsApp us. Question number 27. The tomb of Babur is at A. Lahore, B. Kabul, C. Karachi, D. Delhi. And the correct answer is B. Kabul. Question number 28. Qutub Minar was built by A. Qutbuddin Aibak, B. Iltutmish, C. Razia Sultana, D. Shah Jahan. And the correct answer is A. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question number 29. Jahangiri Mahal is located in A. Agra Fort, B. Fatehpur Sikri, C. Delhi, D. Sikandara. And the correct answer is A. Agra Fort. Question number 30. The buildings constructed by which Mughal ruler represent the climax in the evolution of Mughal architecture? A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Aurangzeb, D. Shah Jahan. And the correct answer is D. Shah Jahan. Question number 31. The city of Agra was founded by A. Rana Sanga, B. Sikandar Lodi, C. Ibrahim Lodi, D. Firoz Tughlaq. And the correct answer is B. Sikandar Lodi. Question number 32. Tanseen, the greatest musician of Akbar's court, belonged to A. Delhi, B. Gwalior, C. Lahore, D. Lucknow. And the correct answer is B. Gwalior. Question number 33. The account of Babur's life, Tazuk Baburi, was written in A. Urdu, B. Persian, C. Turkey, D. Arabic. And the correct answer is C. Turkey. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel for more videos and test preparation. Thank you. Stay connected.